what's up YouTube? My name is Chris. Welcome to Vibrant Deals, back with another investment video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing my Robinhood portfolio. I'm going to be talking about PSEC and my 12 payments. I actually have 12 payments, but one is pending. So 13 payments I'll be discussing today. And Prospect Capital is a really nice monthly dividend stock that pays monthly. I'm also going to be talking about how much it takes to make $1, $25, $100, or even $1,000 with PSEC. Right now, I'm currently making around $100 a month with PSEC, so let's jump right into it. So if you look at the screen here, the price right now is sitting at about $8.86, and my average cost is $8.14. I have roughly about $15,000 invested. About $1,200 of that is profit. And then you can see right here, I have a pending payment, and I do the reoccurring investing of $20 a week. So let's go and look at the payments here. So my lowest payment was $1.56, and I'll scroll up slowly for you, and you can pause a video at any moment in time so you can take a look at those dividends. So this is the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh payment, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 was the most recent payment reinvested. And then I have a 13th payment, which is $105.70 that is pending. And now I'm gonna have that reinvested back into the fund so I can grow my dividends. And mainly, most of this growth is due to me adding more and more money to the principal, and then also the compound interest taking effect as well. So I'll show you really quick what PSEC is, or Prospect Capital. You can read this really quick for yourself. They basically invest into private equity. You can read right over here, and was founded back in 2004. So, and then here are some key statistics. So now I went ahead and opened up all the tabs so you can read the details on how many shares I have and the amount that they pay per share, which is 6 cents, and the total dividend I'm getting paid. So for the year I've been invested with Prospect Capital, I've never seen a dividend cut or a dividend increase. So it usually always pays around 6 cents. I'll scroll all the way down. So this is the pending payment that I haven't received yet. And then you can see here how consistent it is with the payment of 6 cents for every share that you own. So this is another payment. All right, so we're on my favorite numbers application. I'm gonna run some hypotheticals here for you, and just pay attention to the one that has a trophy on it, which is PSEC right here. We're gonna do some really quick calculations. So it's been hovering around $8.88, and so I'm gonna go ahead and put my desired income right over here. So to make $1 with PSEC, it's basically showing you this right here. You need 16 shares. It's gonna cost about $148. Let's go ahead and run $25. To make $25, you would need this amount here for shares, and that's how much it would cost you. Let's go ahead and do $100, which that's pretty much what I'm making right now. And to make $100 with PSEC, you would need this many shares and cost around $15,000. So let's go ahead and do $500 really quick here. To make $500 with PSEC, this is how much you'd have to invest, $74,000. And you'd need about 8,300 shares. And for the last one, I'm going to do $1,000. So to make $1,000 with PSEC, with the current price per share, you would need this many shares and cost you around 148K. And then let's just do some random number here. Let's try 10,000 just for the heck of it. 2, 3. To make $10,000 with PSEC, you would need this many shares and spend $1.4 million. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my quick little update on my Robinhood portfolio and me discussing PSEC, which is Prospect Capital, showing you my 12 payments and my one pending payment of $105, and running some hypotheticals for you to see how much you would need to make $100 or $25 or even $100 or $1,000 with PSEC. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.